learn about Trataka meditation. The word Trataka means to keep a steady gaze. What it does is it helps to improve our concentration, which works on the sixth limb of yoga, which is dharana. Trataka meditation is actually a shat karma or a purification process that we use in yoga. What it does is it helps us to get rid of all the eye diseases and purify our eyes. So the power of our mind is huge, but due to continuous consumption from the sensory channels and due to our attachments of the desires, our mind or the aspects of our mind are distributed or scattered in all these directions. But if we try to focus our mind or bring the awareness of the mind at one point, to one purpose, then no one can stop us from achieving our goal. So this conscious effort of bringing our mind to one point helps us to slide into automatic meditation. Today for our practice, we will be using a oil lamp or a diya for practicing Trataka. It is similar to a candle. So why are we using a oil lamp or a diya or a candle lamp is preferable is because when we turn our attention inward in Antrataka, the vision is clear. So in a Trataka where we visualize inward, the vision would be clear because of the brightness of the flame. So in today's practice, we would be practicing both external Trataka and internal Trataka. The first one we would be starting by external and then we would be moving on to internal. Once the focus of the object in external Trataka is sustained, we would be successfully able to proceed to the internal Trataka or where we direct our focus inwards. Our mind would be in a much calmer state when we would be practicing the inward Trataka or the advanced stage of Trataka. So the first thing that we must ensure when we are practicing Trataka is that the lamp or the object that you are using must be at an arm's distance and at eye level. And the posture of the body, you can perform this in a seated posture in a chair or in Sukhasan, but the best posture is to attain Siddhasan, Siddhayoni Asan or Padmasan. So Siddhasan is for men, Siddhayoni Asan is for women, and both women and men can practice Padmasan. Now I will show you how to correctly position your object of concentration. It must be at an arm's distance, at eye level, in front of your body. Please attain a comfortable seated posture, and while you gaze, please ensure that your eyes or the eyelids or the eyeballs are not moving too much. It must be steady. At the same time, please ensure that your eyes are in a relaxed position. Please do not strain your eyes while gazing. The point that you have to gaze at is the tip of the wick. Now let's start the Trataka meditation. Keep your eyes wide open, but do not strain your eyes. Try not to blink or close your eyes. Try to consciously relax thigh muscles and gaze at the top of the wick for 3 minutes. If your mind wanders, bring back the attention to the wick. If your eyes start to water, don't worry, it's normal. You may close your eyes then. Please continue to gaze at the top of the wig for 3 minutes or as long as you are comfortable. Now gently close your eyes and visualize the after image of the candle flame at the eyebrow center. Try to keep the image steady. Keep the image in your mind for 3 minutes or as long as you are comfortable. Whenever you are comfortable, you may end your practice by chanting Om 3 times. Keep your eyes closed for some time and notice how the mind is calm and stable now. Gently rub your hands to put them on your eyes. Open your eyes in the palm of the hands.